your best gaming PC of 2024. Gaming PCs are designed to give a more immersive experience for playing games. This they achieve through powerful processors, high-end graphic cards, and advanced cooling systems. With so many options to choose from, it can be overwhelming to pick the right gaming PC. Here are our top 4 gaming PCs of 2024. Alienware Aurora R15. Alienware Aurora R15 is a powerful gaming PC with the latest from Intel and Nvidia. It has sleek, compact design, which makes it perfect for small gaming spaces and advanced cooling. Fitted with an advanced cooling system, Aurora R15 could take the most demanding games at high frame rates. Dell XPS 8960. The Dell XPS 8960 is an affordable gaming PC designed to give users more potent performance while keeping the device budget-friendly. Equipped with a 12th generation Intel Core i5 CPU, an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, and 16GB RAM, it's compact in design and has a very affordable price tag. Thus, it will be perfect for new gamers. Corsair Vengeance i7500. Corsair's Vengeance i7500 is a high-performance gaming PC developed for the serious gamer. Equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 CPU, an Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, and 32GB RAM, this gaming PC has an improved cooling system with a sleek design that would visibly attract any user searching for the finest gaming experience with the i7500. Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a mid-range gaming PC that offers excellent performance at an affordable price. Acer Predator Orion 3000 12th generation Intel Core i5 CPU, an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, and 16GB of RAM. Compact design and affordable price, the Orion 3000 is perfect for those who want a balance between performance and price. Here are some tips to consider when choosing the best gaming PC. First, establish a budget because the price tag on a gaming PC can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Now, what fits your requirements for a game? Then definitely you'll need a powerful PC if you want a game at 4K. And lastly, watch out for upgradability. An easily upgradable PC is one that will save you dollars down the line.